have seen a lot of technology play coming because people are getting all the typical types of apps which can do transactions, which can show them so many reports, which can show them whether you call it a knowledge or data or insights onto their mobile phones. So what are your views on using technology, and how do you think technology can benefit an investor as well as somebody as an advisor? How do you use technology for?
So the most important thing to understand is, because of technology, the kind of data and access to information is available to everybody. Just 15-20 years back, the access to information itself was an issue.
Absolutely.
Right? Just to go to the annual report and figure out the profit, loss, cash flow, and over the period of time, that itself will take a lot of time, because you have to manually take it, enter in an Excel sheet. You should know how to run an Excel sheet, then compare. It used to take hours.
Yeah.
So when I was in college, we used to actually do it manually, right?
Yeah.
All that data is available on the. So it's a immense power. So there is no disability to the smallest investor. See, whatever access to information I have, same thing everybody else has.
Yeah. Absolutely.
People who are bigger and better than me, and people who are smaller and inferior to me in investing skills. Everybody has so that is one very big advantage that technology has got, right? And it's probably a little underappreciated. So you have to have confidence that you have everything that you need to do.
Absolutely.
Need to know,
Yeah.
right? Second problem is, because technology, information is so easily available, it's very difficult to actually isolate yourself and figure out what is really important, what is not really important.
Yeah.
Sometimes more information is
Chaotic.
just overload on your brain.
Yeah.
Okay?
Absolutely.
And if you look at technology, how it is playing a part in my business per se, then I think because of technology, the reach has substantially increased.
Okay.
Right? See, the questions and the problems and the needs of most of the investors are the same, right? So there are 50 questions that everybody has. Somebody has 25 out of them, somebody has 40 out of them. So the way we deliver our service has become that we can now reach a larger scale. So that has substantially helped us in our business.
Yeah. So whether it is democratization of information knowledge, or I think democratization of accessibility also, because now I think somebody sitting even in the remotest areas of India can actually have access to someone like you also. And that actually is kind of empowering for all of us. And definitely that, I think empowerment should happen in all our money management.
See, today my clients are, so I am in Pune for the last 8 years, right?
Yeah.
Not even 10% of my clients are in Pune.
Wow.
Right?
Yeah.
If this was the case 10-15 years back, I think in 2010 or 2005, this wouldn't have ever been possible.
Absolutely. So you are now empowered, and even the clients are empowered, because now they have the access. Somebody sitting in US also is your client. Somebody sitting maybe in remotest areas of Delhi also can have your services. And makes sense, because ultimately, as you rightly said, all of us are human beings. All of us need money. And in a way, psychologically, all of us have those 50 standard questions. Some of us might have 25, some of us might have 50. But I think the beauty about what you explained has been that how do we look at investing overall?